guys, it's Jalissa here, and I am new, and I'm an official giraffe lover. So if you want to be a giraffe lover, subscribe to my channel, click on the red button, and like it. And I am doing a giveaway for the sticky putty that I just made, and all you need is shaving cream, any type of glue, and any type of shaving cream. That's my nephew's card. But anyway, you need any dishwashing liquid, and that's it. And you need a plate, a bowl, and a spoon. Okay, so or something to mix. So here's mine. This is what it turned out to be, and it's anything. I really didn't add it. You could do any color, but I just chose purple. And then I already added. This is how it looks after I added the glue. I added a little bit of glue, and then I added some shaving cream. I mixed it, and then I added more shaving cream. And then whenever you add this, don't put too much because it's the thing that makes it stick together. So look, this is kind of what mine turned out to be. It's kind of sticky. And all you have to do after you do all that, you put it on a plate. That's what you do. You put it on a plate. And yes, I will be making another video to show you how I made it, but this is just the one for now. Okay, and I like to scrape everything off before, before making it. So, and now all you have to do after that is just play with it, but it's kind of sticky, so it really doesn't matter. And then all you have to do, this is what I did, is I mushed my hand. I played